text and drive. Summations are expected today in the trial of a Bronx teenager charged in the stabbing death of a classmate. The teen on trial claims it was self-defense against a violent bully. He testified about the moments before the stabbing, and CBSN New York's Natalie Duddridge joins us from outside of the courthouse in the concourse section with more on that testimony. Natalie, good morning.
Well, good morning, Alex. That's right. Because Abel Cedeno says he was bullied, he says he had no choice but to fight back in self-defense. But the prosecutors say he did have a choice, and he chose to kill one student and injure another classmate.
A silent Abel Cedeno walks into court with his sister and mother at his side to testify in his own defense. You're gay. You shouldn't be gay. It was psychological abuse for being gay. Cedeno describes systemic bullying from classmates at Urban Assembly School for Wildlife that led to this fight in 2017. 15-year-old Matthew McCree was stabbed to death. 16-year-old Ariane LeBoy was wounded, and Cedeno is now charged with manslaughter. Cedeno testified that on the day of the attack, the bullying got physical. I began getting hit in the back of the head with broken pencils, pen caps, and bunched up paper. Matthew punched me on the cheek 2 or 3 times. Cedeno admits he pulled out this knife out of his pocket, but says the knife was only meant to scare people away. When asked if he remembered stabbing McCree and LeBoy, Cedeno said not specifically the times when the blade went inside them. Outside the courtroom, McCree's mother said she doesn't buy Cedeno's story.
What I didn't understand is he don't remember at no point in time when he used the knife, but however, he remembered when he was being hit. He remembered everything when it came to the other side, but when it was his turn, he can't remember anything.
Clearly, the attempt to call Matthew McCree a bully is an attempt to dirty up the victim, and we will not stand for that.
Now, because this is a bench trial, we won't have to wait for the jury to deliberate, so a verdict and a decision could be made as early as today. Outside Bronx Criminal Court, Natalie Duddridge, CBSN New York.
Natalie, thank you.